Normally Friday is like a little bit easy in the evening, but today for some reason everybody's calling me while I'm trying to record these videos for you guys. So we were talking about Morse code and how to spell. Basically, this is gonna be a video how to spell, and this is gonna be video how to spell in English. In our cultures, most of the languages, you write the way you say things. So you don't have to spell. Well, this is not the case in English. That's why we have spelling. And I gotta tell you that I'm often challenged when I have to spell. Don't you like my Oscar, guys? Don't you think Oscar is pretty cute? Oscar is keeping us. So I don't know if you have a calming position, a calming strategy, but if I play with Oscar when I work, uh, I kind of torture him a little bit, but I also like, when you have imaginary friend, this is kind of my imaginary friend, but he is here, so I am not alone anymore. Somebody give me few of them, the rest are there. I will let you meet them the next time. But so this is Oscar. Oscar is my favorite. He's so cute and classy. Don't you think Oscar is cute? So here it's me and Oscar. I'm gonna make him sit in my lap. We're gonna give you this morts. Uh, it's a classic way of spelling, okay? So, and a lot of people in the UK like to use this. They don't understand when I spell, so I kind of finally decided to learn the proper spelling, even though I've been surviving on spelling. I haven't had such a big problems about it. But let's say that this is like spell a little bit with me and Oscar. So A as an alpha. This is the classical Morse code. Then I will give you two other tactics how to spell. One is using names or cities, and the second one is using things. So this is number one, how to spell by Morse code. Then you're gonna have number two, how to spell. Okay, hello, welcome back. We are here, me and Oscar, creating this video number uh, continuing this video number two about Morse alphabet and how we spell using the Morse alphabet or Morse, so-called Morse code. This is the Morse code. Here I can show you the dots and the points. I don't know if you ever had to use the Morse code when you use the walkie-talkie to decipherate what is it. It's very difficult and in time consuming because somebody give you a dot and give you a line and they have a different sounds. And whoever listens make this write down how many dots and how many dashes he heard. And after this is transferred in alphabets. And I could show it to you how it's like one dot and one dash, it mean A is an apple. Dash and three dots mean B is Bravo. So I am not gonna give you, I will probably try to find it. That would be cool to find this, how it sounds like the Morse alphabet. Would be cool to endorse, right, to this video. So we have, I'm gonna give you how they spelled by Morse code. A as an alpha, B Bravo, C Charlie, D Delta, E as an Echo, F Foxtrot, G Golf, H Hotel, I India, J Juliette. Unfortunately, Juliet in English is with a J, and in Italian it is with G as green. So I have another tactic to do Juliet. I use the name spelling in order to make sure that I understand how they spell something. K Kilo, L Lima, M as Mike, N as November, O as an Oscar, P as Papa, Q for Quebec, R Romeo, S Sierra, T Tango, and then this is U as an uniform, V victory, W whiskey, X X-ray, Y Yankee, and Z English people like Zulu. I like another word. So this was everything for this spelling as Morse code. Now I'm gonna give you how I use spelling with names. Why I use spelling with names. Stay tuned and wait for the next video. In the meantime, have a great day. Please like, share, subscribe, and write your comment below. And do text me if you want to be part of bilingual videos. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.